Power surge, lightning, artificially generated current. Well, they're not all the same, and you may or may not be covered. Artificially generated power surge can only be conducted through the power supply. Now, here comes the fudge. We do not pay for loss if one or more of the following exclusions apply to the loss, regardless of the other causes or events that contribute to or aggravate the loss, whether such causes or events act to produce the loss before, the same time, or after the excluded causes of events. Power disruption. We do not pay for loss which results from the disruption of power or other utilities, whether or not it is caused by a peril insurance against, if the cause of the disruption is not on the insured's premises. We do pay for direct loss that is otherwise covered by this policy, which occurs on the insured's premises as a result of disruption of power. So now we have to go to the exclusions. There you may find that transistors, appliances, computers are not covered. Are there endorsements or other upgrades that can cover you in these events? The events that destroy things you've paid thousands of dollars for? Well, yes. Not sure if you have coverage? Get a free policy review. Give me 15 minutes to review your insurance policy. I could make or save you thousands. We do not sell insurance. There is nothing to buy. My name is Bob Gunther. I'm a licensed public adjuster, 201-982-1223. Call me or use this QR code.